Kisii.
Miyamana omurike ito Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ururikirana na kurase Kaunti ya Nyamira ni gabwatadi korwase chinsemo chobarendi itkulera batwara egekaro kyabere gukwanira amangana yoburendi ase Kaunti ya Nyamira bakorawa no regional commissioner Flora Moroa nigo baine kyabuna oburendi nigo botingire ase Kaunti ya Nyamira ase nonyana batena ebikore byobusali byabere bigo kyana kegima korende kwene kyabunamba begetemero biresaine yogo chia kwene kya obutume kibwe minyuwa byogotindia byabeire bigo kyana kegima muri kete korwase Kaunti yo job mangi noroboti urwaso bwikirano.
Regional Commissioner ensemo ya Nyanza Flora Moroa nakora etaro ya bene ime Kaunti ya Nyamira asumirana n'abarai ao baru mu County Commissioner abakonyi ba County Commissioner aba chief n'abakonyi babo.
My first day in Nyamira as the Regional Commissioner Nyanza, I just would want to say also it was my introductory meeting to our members of.
Etaro ya yenensemo eyemo yokorobe ya oborendi ime County ya Nyamira.
We've not had any bad incidences within the county for some time, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all the officers working in Nyamira, not the ones who are here today. We have others also who work with us, the police, the members of the public, for the good work that they are doing.
Igatia mangana bamurekera nesegi yokorwania amarua atancheri nebinywego abitancheri.
I would like to mention that we still have incidences of illicit brews, drugs, which I have emphasized to the Ngao community here that we really need to make sure that they eradicate the illicit brews and drugs totally.
Nakwanira emeroberio eserekali ebegete buna ogotingiwa we sector ichisemi gwetera umoroberio 100% transition asaborkyo bonsi babwendera cha kwambukiwa kurwase sukuru yoboroso kucha sukuru ya secondary.
We also have other government programs that we are undertaking currently, make sure that we have 100% transition to secondary schools. Those are some of the issues that we have been able to discuss with them, and we are in agreement that no child should be left at home without joining Form 1 or joining the junior secondary school.
Nabasegeta gusira serikali asemeroberio buna ogosimeka kwemete namagenderero ande
that we should be able to plant 3,000 trees per chief per month, as was directed by His Excellency the President. Farmers to be patient. This fertilizer is being distributed, but you can imagine how big this country is. Some parts have already received the fertilizer, and I believe in the shortest time possible, even Nyamira will be able to receive the fertilizer. So farmers need to be patient.
Magayetaro yo Regional Commissioner ime County Nyamira bono abamenyebe County Nyamira mbachikutwara oboremu buna ebinto